All right, fellow dreamers, let's check out our accommodations without any further ado. Although we have to do a little more ado. Right there's the pool. We have the corner room, which is right here. So right there is the pool, right there is the ocean. We'll be checking that out a little bit later. And we basically got our own little private balcony here. So this is pretty nice. This is Zoe. Zoe just finished breastfeeding, so she's looking very happy. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, we got our own like little private balcony. We also got a little settee out here. We got a thing, I don't know what this is, but we got our, I used to travel light. We don't travel light anymore. We used to have a little backpack when we were doing overnights. Not anymore. So let's check out the room. This is a deluxe room here at Mike's Dauin Dive Resort. And this goes for about 2,700 pesos. Got a king-size bed. And you can see there's a little bed to the side, and they made a special arrangement for us because we have Janice, who is helping us with baby. And I guess this was for her, but I have a feeling, because they're sisters, I have a feeling that Janice and Chicha are going to be sleeping on the king-size bed with baby Zoe, and Ned is going to be sleeping on the floor. I think that's the way it's going to work out. But I'm okay with that. It's the realities of parenthood. You got to make the sacrifices. Plus, I can sleep anywhere. Okay, so what's cool about this is they got a running theme throughout the room. This is the first time I've actually stayed here. I've eaten at the restaurant before, but this is the first time I stayed here. And you can see there's a lot of rattan furnishings. Everything is made of rattan. And this isn't the cheap rattan. This is actually well-crafted rattan, well-maintained rattan. It's all over the place. So that's what you see. You got a little sitting area here. Everything is properly sanitized, of course, because this is the era of the dreaded malady. You got your drinking water carafe. You got your hot pot for making your coffee. You got a little bit of coffee over here. All the normal accoutrements. We also got a TV in case we get really bored, want to watch some signal. We can watch a TV. Got the big sliding doors all around, which is nice because it gives you a little view of the ocean. Maybe we'll see the sunrise tomorrow. You got a little sitting thing right here, glass top. It's like a table, I guess, with some more storage below. Got a nightstand over there, nightstand over there, king size bed. I like it. I like it. That's how you treat a king. Also, for some reason, we seem to have a pen holder right there, but no pens, which is kind of strange. And this is a lamp, actually, and it looks pretty cool. This is the room key, which is pretty big. And again, just got all your storage space and an umbrella, because again, this is the Philippines, just in case it rains. Nice touch. And, because what Philippine dream wouldn't be realized without a video of the trash can, also made of rattan. The bathroom is very spacious, it's very nice, it's very clean. Very importantly, they have a water heater because foreigners such as myself, even after 7 years in the Philippines, we still like a hot shower, which is important. We got a wide assortment of toilet papers, only the finest here at Mike's Dauin Dive Resort. And since it is a dive resort, we have a wide selection of towels to choose from. And we brought our own towels too. Also, since this is the era of the dreaded malady, 2020, screw you, they have Safeguard soap here, which is a nice touch. And also, if you have hair, a hair dryer. And I don't have hair, so no hair dryer for me. But I am looking pretty good today. A little tired. Again, a rattan mirror. I like the rattan mirror. Sink for sink stuff, in case you need to sink. And, you know, a toilet. A very nice toilet. And again, this is the first time I've stayed here. Oh, I like that. The dolphin motif. I guess they're playing basketball. It is the NBA Finals. Again, this is the first time I stayed here, and I'm really impressed by the cleanliness and maintenance of everything. Everything is clean, everything is immaculate. Also, the customer service here. Whoever responds to customer emails should be made like manager, because their level of customer service here is phenomenal. And I'm not getting any kickbacks. Again, people sometimes think, oh, he's getting kickbacks. Case of fire. We don't get free rooms. We don't get any type of compensation. I don't even know who these people are. I've never met them. But I just wanted to say that the customer service here is phenomenal. It is Brownout, so there's a lot of people, so I'm not going to do a video because there's so many people. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait till tomorrow morning and walk around and do a video overview of the resort. All right? So right now we're going to unpack. Again, there was a day when we traveled light. Those days are no longer here. So we're going to unpack now and unwind for a bit. So we'll see in a bit on My Philippine Dreams. Zoe, you want to say bye? Zoe?
Bye.
Bye. Zoe wants a boob.
Booby time.
It's booby time. All right, we're gonna go to booby time. All right, good morning, everybody. It's 5:15 a.m. and I'm up because the baby's up. We're always up. We are a slave to her schedule. And one of the great things about living on the eastern side of the island of Negros is we get to see the sunrises every morning. So we're down at the beach now, and we got a pretty cool sunrise coming up. Straight ahead is Siquijor Island, the island of which is the Isla del Fuego, the Isle of Fire, because of all the fireflies over there, which I have yet to see, but I keep hearing about them. And everybody is losing their minds over the last, because of the dread malady of the, I belong to the Siquijor Facebook page forum, which is a great forum. It's very polite. But everybody who works over there, has businesses over there and everything, they're all losing their minds because they've really been isolated for this whole time. And over to the northeast, see, we got some lightning flashes coming down, and we get some rain over there. And it's actually raining right here, right now. I just felt a couple droplets. So a little bit later, I'm gonna get some water for Chichai. And there's Apple over there. We'll do a little tour of Mike's, and then we're gonna head out, grab some breakfast, and head back home. See you in a bit. This might be a Moro raiding party from Mindanao, coming to take us away. Hey, buddy. Good morning. Hi. Hi. Good boy. Hi. Good morning. They're bringing the boat up. Dogs and sunrises. Uh-oh, another dog's poking me from the back. That didn't come out right. Hi. Hi. Selfie. Selfie. All right, let's get back to things. Cooling off. Morning. This is my new buddy. We need a new dog. You gonna go with us? Do you wanna live on the beach or in Dirty Getty? I hear ya. Oh, it's my lovely wife. We got a new friend. This is Angel's replacement. We'll call him Tony. Tony the dog. Yep. Latest addition to the Kelly gang. Pictures. Oh, nice.
Always taking pictures, doing street photography.
Yeah, haven't been able to do that for a while. Someday. Someday. Okay, so let's do a quick tour of the grounds. It's Monday morning, And we're going to be leaving in a couple hours. I think these are the standard rooms over here. Right here, this is copy car car. There's another room section back here. I think that's a private like bungalow, full set. Pretty sweet. The grounds are very nicely landscaped. Everything is very clean. We were the only guests tonight. Again, the dreaded malady is sweeping across the nation, so we're not seeing a lot of rentals at resorts and stuff. But we stayed here last night. It was very nice. It was very quiet. Can't say enough about that. Of course, you have chickens, because this is the Philippines. Good morning, Mr. Chicken. I think these are all deluxe rooms right here. And again, each has its own like veranda. It's not private because it's all open up there, but it's still really nice to be able to sit and watch the sunrise. Again, the dreaded malady, temperature check required upon entering. Everybody's used to that by now. Also got a foosball table. If you want to play some foosball, I'm actually going to be, oh, we don't have a goalie on this one, but I don't need it. So I will play blue, and I will still beat Chichai because I am amazing. And this is Lola right here. And Lola's about 11 years old, and she is alive. She's a black lab, and she is the boss. She is the boss. Everything you do has to be approved by Lola. We stayed up there last night. That was our area. Sitting area out here. We got the pool. Got a little fountain over there. Fountain's always appreciated. This pool was seeing a lot of use yesterday because it was the brownout, so there's a lot of people here. That's why I didn't do a video. I'm trying to maintain some semblance of people's privacy. Here's also a beetle. That's a very handsome beetle. Very nice. Very nice on a Monday morning. They also have dive courses. I was actually talking to somebody at Nigel's yesterday who actually got his dive certification here. So that's something you can do. And if you're going to live in the Philippines and you're of okay health, I highly recommend getting your diving certification and doing some scuba diving, because I got some really nice locales. All kinds of lounge chairs. These are usually down on the beach down here, but they move them up here because nobody owns the beach. So it's not like private property, so they have to move everything up at night. And this is something I haven't seen in a very long time. This is a Hobie 16 catamaran. It's a 16-foot catamaran. My previous experience has been with Hobie 18s, which are a little bit bigger. We actually flipped one of those over. And if it's windy and you really want to get your groove on, you can take this out for 1,000 pesos per hour and go out there and flip it over. They love that. Also, there's kayaks under there, and it's usually 250 pesos if you're just like a day visitor, but if you're a guest, you can take those out for free. I highly recommend doing that in the early morning. And this is the beach right here. It's a brown sand beach. People seem to prefer the white sand beach. I like the brown sand beaches. That's fine for me. And what's great too about this area in Dauin is these giant trees that are over the beach. They provide a lot of shade, especially in mid-afternoon when it gets really hot. You don't want to be sitting out in the sun. So you get the shade from the trees. And the sun's up. It's about 8 o'clock right now. It's pretty bright. There's Mindanao over there. Apo is over yonder. And I know you can't see it because of the lens flare, but there's actually a big pump boat right out there, which is actually Mike's Dauin Beach Resort's private pump boat for going out on diving expeditions. Probably to Apo. That was one of my favorite places. That's been my favorite place so far to scuba dive, was Apo Island. It's pretty awesome. And of course the dogs. They're coming to investigate me, see what I'm doing here. So that's pretty much it. Mike's Dauin Beach Resort. If you need to get away for a night, it's only 50 bucks US for a deluxe room. It's quiet, it's serene, it's well maintained, it's clean. Highly recommend it. And I will see you next time on My Philippine Dreams. Peace out. Zoe's going out for her sunbathing. Yeah, she looks so happy to be going sunbathing. Yeah? All right. Thrilled. So you go swimming?
Swimming, Zoe?
She doesn't look like she's quite ready for swimming. She doesn't have her bikini.
She'll have
Her
her two-piece.
two-piece. Sunbathing Zoe. Yay! So much fun. Getting her sun, getting her vitamin D. And eating her Pondasol. That's her mittens.
Yep. Hello, Zoe boo. How's the sun? Oh, are you showing us your dimple? Ow. Hello, Zoe. What's the face?
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.